Yung kamay mo, right hand. Okay, susunod. Okay, in Arabic, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay. In English, I bear witness that there's no other God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger and prophet of Allah. Okay, in Tagalog, ako'y nanunumpa at ako'y sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos na sasambahin maliban kay Allah. At ako'y nanunumpa na si Muhammad ay kanyang sugo at propeta. At ako'y nanunumpa na si Jesucristo na anak ni Maria ay kanyang sugo at propeta. Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar! Means Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest.
So, isa ka ng Muslim. So, ngayon, ang second step, Brad, kukunin ko ang details mo para ipapalaw kita. Then, so kung during day off mo,
Kung kailan mo gusto?
Gusto mo kung parehas tayo ng day off? Hatid kita.
Oo, mashallah, yan.
may ano ka, may ballpen ka.
Yes, and it will be very easy for you, brother, kasi andito na siya.
Close mo na siya.